What's up, guys? We are live. We are broadcasting right now, looking for only one. We're looking at only one asset right now. It's Nasdaq. Everything else is not really setting up. Bitcoin is moving up, but it doesn't set up on my personal analysis. It's still not there. So yeah, I would like for price to come down, and then we look at it on the 5 minute time frame. But as of now, nothing else is really setting up. None of this is setting up really. ES looks way too ugly. NQ looks decent. YM it's very ugly. So only NQ is the one setting up. Went into this long-term stage one, pulls up, pulls back, and that for me it's good enough. On the 5 minute time frame, we're pulling back, but this is very close to invalidation. It was a very aggressive move, and very aggressive moves required, in my opinion, deeper retracements, which it did, but it looks like it's about to invalidate. It's close to that. I will enter if price shows me something like this. But again, it's very close to invalidation, and it's close to 6 p.m., which is like 3 hours, 2 hours and a half into the market, which is already a bit late. So we have to keep an eye on that. But yeah, this is close to invalidation. Oil, it's looking decent, but still not there. The 30 minute time frame is okay. The 1 hour, the 1 hour and the 4 hours still need to move. Yeah, we still need to see some moves to the upside like this, and then we're kind of ready. You can start following it on the 1 hour or the 4 hours. The daily looks amazing, I believe. Yeah, the daily looks good, but yeah, not there yet. Let's go back to NQ. In the next 10 minutes, we'll probably know. Yeah, it looks like we're about to invalidate. On the 5 minute time frame, we're still coming down. If we go and touch the 50, we're completely off. Again, this was a very steep climb, so it requires a deeper retracement, but yeah, this looks a bit ugly. At this point, I don't think it's enough to just see one of these. I will need like a second one. That'll be a good tell. Again, in the next minutes, we should know. Yeah, the context is not great. I knew not to take this trade. This one, it was 100% fake. The overall context is ugly, and yeah, 100% a not taker. Nah, it's okay. NQ on the 15 minute time frame still looks decent. How does the 2 hour look? It looks okay. 3-minute time frame. It's the next possible entry. Yeah, the 3-minute time frame is the next one, but that's pretty much the only target. If we go any below that, we are completely invalidated, and it looks like it's gonna do just that. Nice rejection, but still, good amount of time to go. Okay. I think we need a longer. We need some more sideways. Wait, this is the 1 minute time frame. We might trade the 1 minute still. This recovered very well, but we still need a retracement. Shit. How does the 3-minute look? Okay. If we get a good retracement, like a significant one, we can think about it. Yeah, but this is not enough. We need like an actual retracement. Yeah, this is not enough. Deeper, like along these lines. And we'll see how it develops, but still not there. Okay. Decent. This is good. I don't like this. I don't like this trade as much. I think it needs to dance a little bit longer. We need more sideways. I'm not gonna take it. Depends, it depends. Maybe this goes on for a bit longer. I like it. Or it retraces more. Yeah, something like this. Yeah, but it's coming down. If you enter this, you just got wrecked. Uh, you know what? I like to see something like this. This is what I would love to see. That's it. Any other than that, I wouldn't enter. We'll wait for that. Probably no trade. That's the most likelihood. If it invalidates, comes back here, it's pretty much no trade. Unless the 15-minute looks okay, which it does. We can start looking at this one. At the 3-minute time frame. I think we should start doing that. Because the 1 minute looks, yeah, well, it's too extended, too downside. Looks very ugly. I want to look at the 3-minute time frame. This looks okay. I'll be back in a bit. Okay, that was a very aggressive move to the downside. Again, we're probably not gonna trade today. Yeah, way too ugly. Yeah, this is probably gonna invalidate soon. This looks like a decent move, so we'll see if it happens. We just need a retracement, and we'll buy stop the break of it. We might not see a pullback though. That's true. If there's a big enough pullback, we can enter. Just a bit bigger, and I would love to enter around here. Looks okay, but we need a bigger pullback. Yeah, like that. Yeah, that's what we're looking for. Okay, I'm gonna place it. Okay, get on my way. If this candle, okay, now it closed. Can wait for a move. Looks nice. Right over here. It's a better entry. Right over here. Stop loss should be moved around here. Okay, good. We're coming down, so this never happens as of now. Still waiting to trigger. Yeah, this should be higher though. Right over here. Perfect. Okay, we move to the downside. That's good. We'll remove this from 2 to 1. Just move the stop loss here. We'll change it to 2. Confirm. Why is it not changing? I don't know. Have to do it again. We'll move this here to 1. To be quick. Modified, yeah. Modify this to 2 again. This is a good retracement. This looks decent. We'll see what it does. Okay, it seems like we might go break even. Just checking that the break even is at the right place, and it is. So we just wait for that. It's probably gonna happen. We 100% took the right trade. But yeah, it's the only thing that's available right now. I'm gonna move this here. There's no point in holding. I'm still a bit hesitant. Like at moments, it's just a tick. We can move it down, but I'll just keep it there. But it's gonna probably hit break even. Just single tick. We take like a very small loss, you know. Okay, it's responding. We'll see how this does. Hopefully we can get above here. It'll be a great sign. Okay, we're moving higher at the moment, waiting to manage. Maybe an even better place to have managed this will be like here. It would have been a great trade, but honestly, I mean, this is okay. This is fine. This one was a bit too risky, but we will already have taken profit. But honestly, spread and slippage, it can take you out easily. So we're moving very nicely to the upside, but we still have quite a way to go. Around here, I'll partial. We're currently at 1.9. We're probably gonna partial at 3.8, something like that, to 4 RR. So yeah. Wow, this is such a great move. Has lots of strength coming in. We'll see. We'll see if it gets to the profit. I'll be surprised if it doesn't, even though as always anything can happen. But this looks very strong, and I'm actually gonna get ready to take profits. Once we get to 200, I'll take profits. Or one, I forgot where it was supposed to be. Maybe even at 3 RR, I'll take partials, because I think that's where I love partial. It's such an aggressive move. Yeah, I'll partial at 3. Let's see if it actually wants to get there. None of our problem. It's up to the market if it wants to get there or not. Okay, so it looks like we're retracing. Don't know what the market plans to do here. I'll move my stop loss. I'll just move it here because there's no. We've seen the history of what happens when you put it a bit above. You can go without, price can run after, and then you'll fucked. But I'll think about moving it here because this is such an aggressive move. If it doesn't want to go, I'll take my profits probably. We'll see. It was close. It was very close right here. We're gonna take two partials. Again, one at around 3 RR if it gets there, and the other one will be way higher. Probably trail it. If it gets there, of course. Okay, this trade looks like it's losing strength. It can still respond, of course. Oof, but looks very strong. Both sides, to be honest. Every candle we see, it's a big candle, no matter the direction. So we don't know. We don't know if it's coming up or not. But all we can do is wait. We're partial. Once again, if it gets there, we'll partial at 3RR. We'll take 50% off. And then we'll take a bit more. We will trail the rest. But once it gets there, if it gets here, we will move this around here. But again, it doesn't look like it's gonna do that anymore. We're coming break even here, most likely. This is the I'm live streaming every single trade I make. So this is the next trade after Bitcoin, because yesterday we took Bitcoin trade. So this is the next one. We're live streaming every single trade. So make sure to tune in. We need one of these, bro. We need one of these. We need one of these. Come on. Pa 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 pa. Come up. It's working. It's working. Pa 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 pa. Okay, we're getting close to profit, so we have to be ready to partial. We'll take one contract out if it gets to the area. So let's just wait and see if it wants to get there. Yeah, this candle is a bit tricky, so wow. It's just very tricky. Lots of volatility. Volatility. Okay. Yeah, we're probably coming down for sure. Yeah. Anything can happen, but yeah, it's very. I find it difficult to think this is pulling back up. Yeah, difficult. Yeah, ain't no way this pulls back up. This is a very aggressive candle. Yeah. Probably the last trade today. No trades. No other trades visible that I can think of at the moment. Which sucks because the only opportunity today. But it was a nice trade. It looked good. It looked good. If this goes to take profit, that will be crazy. But at this point, there's nothing really to do. We're just watching until it gets there. We just need that big candle to the upside, bro. Take profit. Looks interesting, to be honest. Shout out to my one viewer, Raika. I'll remember you when I'm famous, bro. OG. Pop. You should click that. Okay, so what I expect from this trade is still break even. That's the main assumption you should do when entering a trade. Actually, it's losing. That's the first expectation. But once we break even, I mean, your expectation should be just to protect your capital and expect a break even. Right now, price is moving nice, but still, we don't know what's gonna happen. So we have to be as pessimistic as possible so you're not surprised when you're when the trade goes to break even, right? So yeah, let's just wait for that. But if it gets higher into this area, I'll protect over here for a trailing break even.